Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video from the perspective of a student or a parent who's looking at Flipgrid. So basically Flipgrid is a platform where students can respond to a prompt with a video. Each grid has a different title, so my grid, for example, is called Period 1 Spanish 1. If they have multiple classes, each class might have a different grid. Each grid has a code, so if you log on to flipgrid.com, you enter the code for a particular class. For example, this is the code for my Spanish 1, Period 1. Then you log in and there will be topics. So each topic serves as an assignment. So for example, in Spanish, I like to ask them a question and they respond. So I might ask them what's their favorite animal and they respond by saying in Spanish what their favorite animal is. My favorite animal is da 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 da. So if they click here, sometimes I give them the question in a video form, or I talk in the video about how to form that tense if it's something we're just learning. So if they press play, the video will pop up and I'll give them their prompt. There also might be something written here where it says, tell me about your favorite animal. There's 1,000 characters teachers can use to talk about what their prompt is. And then if you scroll down, a kid can leave a response. So I already did that one. Let's click on something I haven't done. So if you scroll down here, you can see that it says record a response. So when you click record a response, a camera pops up and you can use different filters. So for example, this one I don't use as much because I like to make sure the kids aren't reading off of a piece of paper and they're actually at the very least memorized in Spanish what they're going to say. You can use so there's different filters. You can put on different stickers. So there's stickers that they can put on if they want to make the video kind of fun, okay? And they can use various stickers. And then they record themselves making a video. So mi animal favorito es el delfín. So my favorite animal is the dolphin. And then I click next when I'm done. And then it reviews it and you click next again. You take a little selfie. Again, you can use filters. You click next. And then your video will upload here. And you can submit it. Once you submit the video, there's another little green button that will appear right here under the video of a classmate, and then you can reply. So some of your teachers might have you interact with your classmates, so you just click reply under their video. And it's as simple as that. Okay, so that's a quick little tutorial about how to use Flipgrid from the perspective of a student or a parent. Thanks for watching.